Hey guys, Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, showing you step number 5 of proofing apparel using the new combine template. And step number 5 is super easy. It's just going to be exporting the proof as well as the working file. So we've got everything set up, everything looks good. If we go over to our artboard, we've already named that, and that's actually going to be the file name as well. So we've got export for screens mapped to just F1. So we're going to click F1 on our keyboard. And we're going to make sure that we're on the Artboards tab here. And now the first thing we're going to do is make sure that there's a check mark on the artboard. And now we're going to go to the Export To section. We're going to click on this little folder icon. And now we're going to choose the folder that corresponds with the order number. So we're going to go to CB Orders. And the order number is 16159. Sometimes that does exist if there's assets that were provided by the customer or by sales. In this case, there aren't. So what you would do is you would right-click and copy this folder and then paste it. And it's going to paste in looking like this with copy at the end. And then you're going to rename it to the order number, so 16159. And go ahead and just double-click into there. And then double-click, left-click into the Work Files folder and hit Select Folder. And as far as the settings are concerned down here, you're going to want to have a PDF as well as a JPEG 100. And you're going to click on this Formats option here, this drop down, and we're going to change it to width. And this is going to be 2400 pixels. And then just make sure that there's nothing here in the suffix because that will affect the file name. At this point, you're good to hit Export Artboard. It's going to do its thing. Okay, and once it's done, it pops up a folder like this, and now you have your working PDF file. So if you're making edits to it, or when you're ready to export the proof of proof artwork, you would go ahead and open up this. And we're going to use the JPEG here. We're just going to click and drag it over to CoreBridge and drop it on Choose File, and hit Upload Proof. And at this point, you are going to change the product status to awaiting proof approval. And then you're going to click this little email icon, and then you're going to CC the sales rep. And you can tell who the sales rep is right here. And then you're going to click send. And then at that point, you're going to go over into your KPI sheet. And we're going to add +1 to proofs for the day. And that is it. Thank you for watching.